Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Today it will be a great day for a shave because once again we have MacDuff's. This time I'm checking Autumn Cabin. This one is very popular, offering by MacDuff's. For quite some time friends are telling me that I should try this, and a little bit of story time now. I tried Autumn Cabin, but I ordered the bar soap with that scent. And I liked it, it was good. And the bar soaps by MacDuff's, surprise, surprise, knowing that this is excellent performance with the shave soaps. They're fantastic, I highly recommend the bar soap, so grab some if you have a chance. They're really, really good. On par in terms of great performance with the shaving soap. So I was familiar with the scent, but Brett, my wet shaving brother, is the sponsor once again of this video. You know what to do. Check him out on YouTube or Instagram. Make it a great shave. Great content, daily reviews of awesome shaving products, and especially aftershave splash and all that good stuff. So go to his links and leave a comment if you want and thank him. He insisted that I should smell this. And I told him, Brett, I know how it smells. I use the bar soap. But he was like, no, bro, you need to smell it. And I did. He brought it, I smelled it. He was insisting you should take it and try it. And what can I tell you? From the container here, absolute banger. And again, MacDuff's, it's one of my favorite. It's the first artisan that I started ordering more than one soap sets from. And it kind of like opened the rabbit hole for me. That one is fantastic. And I mentioned before, and I talked with Sean and some other artisans, they kind of like explain that, you know, when you make a soap, the scent is slightly different. So the scent notes in the bar soap, I see the similarities, but let me tell you, this one smells fantastic and way better than the bar soap that I used, which is expected. You know, different type of soaps, as you prepare them, the scent notes kind of like change and morph into slightly different balance. This one out of the container, I'll just give you my impression before I read the scent notes here. I get that pleasant sweetness, fresh on an autumn way. It's Autumn Cabin, but it's still kind of like fresh and sweet, pleasant, with woodiness and some sort of spice there it's playing. And it's just so good. Yeah, the sweetness is very nice. There is a little bit of fruity notes happening that I cannot really pinpoint with my nose, but now I have here the scent notes. We have toasted maple, fir needle, fir balsam, juniper, cedarwood, vanilla, pear, lemon, cardamom, fenugreek, I have no idea what's that, and sage. These are all the scent notes. And as we read, yeah, I can get a kind of like hint of the cedarwood at the back, the lemon, the pear, really, really pleasant. Of course, the maple is there, but it's not overly sweet. It's not kind of like heavy sweetness. It's just a really nice balance. And Sean, he's just, you know, he's a master of mixing the scents. Of course, I have it lathered over here. We all know how MacDuff's lather. Fantastic stuff. I used my Brousseau and Dove bowl, my new favorite bowl. Go and check them out. And a brush that was absent from the camera for quite some time. I usually use it for face lathering off camera, but now I decided, hey, this is a perfect match with the label and also perfect match with the razor. My Rocca R95 by Muhle over here. Excellent matchy wooden autumn kind of like theme going on. And the label, of course, I forgot to mention. Look at that. That's the new label of the Autumn Cabin. I like the old one as well, but this one, come on, we have MacDuff's here. Beautiful autumn landscape and the cabin at the distance. Just killer stuff. Okay, let's continue talking about the scent notes as I was lathering it. And as I have the lather here. When I smell it, now the fir is certainly more present. The fir needles, that's kind of like autumn, and in a way, kind of like prepares you for Christmas, right? with that freshness and green scent there. And the juniper and the cedar wood, I can get more out of them. They can like have more presence once you lather it over here. And you can see the lather. It's white on white, but as I kind of like flip, look at that shiny, creamy, yogurty goodness. A little goes a long way, and you can hydrate it a lot if you like extra hydrated soaps, if you like low structure, even with high hydration and a lot of kind of like aggressive whipping in a bowl. The structure of MacDuff stays really, really good, right up into kind of like my favorite lather structure. Anyway, let's prepare the face. Enough babbling. You know, great, great soap. I'm so happy that Brett insisted to try it, and yeah, I'm sharing a shave with it. That trotter brush with the badger knot, it's really, really good stuff. It's my only badger in the collection, but it's great. Rocca loaded with Gillette Nacet. I can't even recall if I ever used this combination, or if I did, it's been long ago, so I'm gonna have a slight reminder. First pass with the grain. Going over 2 days of growth. And the audio feedback of the Rocca, very unique. If you never watched me shaving with MacDuff's, the slickness is fantastic, the cushioning, you know, the consistency, as I mentioned, creamy, yogurty, even when it's a thin layer, low structure, but providing really, really nice performance. And at the time of the recording, Brett just released the review of that very same set. So make sure to hop to his Instagram or YouTube and check it out. He's gonna give you way better explanation, and he will take you on a journey about this scent. Really, really good stuff. Lather check. Look at that. Shiny goodness. I was thinking to do just 2 pass shave, but I love that scent so much. So we're gonna do a 3-1, the usual drill. It's just too good. I'll just speak less and shave more. That razor and the blade combo works very well for me. And at the time of the recording, the Black Friday sales are rolling in strongly. I picked already a few things. Let me know in the comments, did you pick something during this Black Friday sales period? I picked one MacDuff's, for which I was waiting for almost 2 years. To make a comeback. You'll see it in a video very soon. Third pass against the grain. The Rocca with the Nacet provides quite close shave. Yeah, the residual slickness is just great. You can keep buffing without soap as long as you introduce a little bit of water. If you haven't tried MacDuff's and the sales are still going, I hope that you pick one. Because it's just fantastic. Of course, time for my friend, the alum block over here. With very cold water. Almost feels like an ice block. Just a light tingling on the spots where I was buffing. For too much, it was just so comfortable. But the feedback is pretty much barely 1 out of 10. Very light tingling. Excellent shave. BBS with no issues. Fantastic. Even after the alum, MacDuff soaps make your skin feel great. But here is where the magic happens. The end of the shave. Nice shake. Tons of good skin food for you here. MacDuff splashes, probably my absolute favorite. That smell. Fresh, more pronounced. The sweetness is there, as I mentioned earlier. Good stuff. Just a couple of drops. Going easy on this one. Wow. The sweetness here is like, feels like the blend is a little bit more refined. The fir notes are there a little bit more. And the juniper, I get it, and that sweetness from the pear, very, very nice. Wow, that's so good. I can see why this is very, very popular. Wow, that's fantastic. So good. Thank you, Brett. Thanks for insisting me to smell and to get this one from you to try. Wow, that's really, really good. MacDuff's splashes, I usually get full day scent from them. I can't recall if any of them is kind of like weaker, so I expect to enjoy the scent journey throughout the entire day. Wow, so good. Well, fantastic shave. Once again, MacDuff's never disappoints. If you have a chance, check this one out. If you're like me and you never shave with it, even if you use the bar soap, like me, don't miss out on this one. It's a killer scent. Autumn Cabin. Once again, thank you, Brett. Appreciate it. You're too kind. Of the official software sponsor of the channel. That's a joke that is going, but it's pretty much the case. Thanks once again for allowing me to try this one. Such a banger. Fantastic one. For all of you, thanks for joining me for this shave. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.